Here is the timber frame outline for the new shop. First step is to get a ceiling on it. My plan was to spare my back and use Lee Jun to help with a hoist safety strap. Well, that didn't work out too well, but we did finally get it up there. All right, ready?
Yeah.
Good. 1, 2, 3. One, two. For the second piece, Lee Jun just said, let's muscle it up there. So, using my head, literally, the scaffolding, and some muscle, we got the second one up. In my younger days, I probably would have just muscled it up myself. All right, can you hold it?
Yeah.
I don't know.
We do this.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Don't go up higher than me, it's gonna fall.
Okay. Oh, there.
No, like using my
That fall off the crack.
small 100-pound life. I said, that's what I get. Thank you, sweetie.
In the room.
What have you? On to framing. I use 2x3s turned on edge for framing. That will give room for plywood on the inside and T11 on the outside. But that's for the next video. Oh, I can do it. Yeah. 220 pounds. Next was to get some electric to the room. I ran a cable from the box where it comes in on one corner of the barn all the way to the opposite corner where the shop is. I installed 6 outlets in the room and 4 LED shop lights on one switch. All of this on a single 20 amp circuit. This is not the first time doing this. The first house I owned, I rewired from top to bottom, and I learned a lot. It still hasn't stopped me from getting shocked from time to time, though. I once tried to change out an outlet and didn't realize the power was still on and got shocked right off the 5-gallon bucket I was sitting on and straight onto my ass. Ah well, live and learn.
Wow. All right. You go up. You go up. We had a good snow this morning, and now it is melting really fast. But it looks cool. Should be a cool sunset over there.
Now for the exciting part, insulation. All I can say is, it has to be done. All right, it's ready now for wall sheathing and to make a new set of doors. See you next time.